By the way, if you do not know, the father stands for the following: a faithful. Faithful. A father must be faithful to God, his family, and in his responsibilities, accountable for a teacher, a helper, an encourager, a role model. That is the meaning of a father. This is what somebody said about their father. My father gave me the greatest gift anyone could give another person. He believed in me. That was Jim, an American college basketball coach, who said, when he looks at life, look at the words that you say to your kids. Young as they are, you are a young man, you are a man, you can make it. People believe and they have become something that they ought to have become. Eddie made this particular statement about the father. I am not ashamed to say that no man I ever met was my father's equal, and I never loved any other man as much. That was a lady who said about his father.
Get the point. Take a step forward.